My name is Karin Lindmark. I work as Market Development Manager for the Nordics for TESTEX. There was a growing sense that circularity was becoming a buzzword without much substance behind it. Everybody was talking about circularity, but few had an idea of what it actually meant. So here we felt that we could help to provide that framework. We saw a clear gap in the market for a truly holistic certification, a certification to be built on the three pillars: durability, repairability and recyclability. I would say that this certification is relevant for all brands and companies who have set goals within circularity. We also knew that we couldn't do this alone, so that's why we also invited our brand partners to help make sure that this was a practical and really helpful certification for the industry.
I'm Dion Vijgenboom. I work at MUT for over 10 years now. Circularity is not only reusing old materials, but for us it's a bigger story actually. We also believe that garments should last as long as possible in order to reduce the need for new materials. For that reason, it aligns perfectly with what we do, so there's no doubt that this meets our standards and our identity as such. Yeah. For us, one very important aspect of this certification is that we are able to quantify and to prove what we're doing, and that's an essential thing. So that was never there on these topics actually, on these criteria. There is no real standard. So being able to do that and also to communicate that to consumers, to any stakeholder actually is one of the biggest assets we feel to have an independent body certifying what we do is quite essential. Yeah. For us it's know your product, so KYP. Know exactly what goes in, all the materials, where it's processed, how it's processed. And automatically, if you're doing the right thing, you want to communicate it and be transparent about it because it's the right thing and you have nothing to hide. So indeed then the transparency factor comes in play, and that's an important one as well. Of course, during the whole process of going through everything, it's a learning experience, and it opens your eyes on certain topics where you can do better or where you can improve your processes, etc. I tend to be positive and hope that it will accelerate the movement that should happen, that hopefully will happen. Yeah.
Our vision is that TESTEX Circularity will become a trusted tool for the textile industry that really needs to reduce its environmental footprint, because it gives brands and companies a clear and credible path towards real circularity.